This video is to show you how to use Voice Recorder on your computer to create an audio recording and then to convert it into an MP3 so that it can be played across multiple devices. Once you've logged onto your computer, you want to go to the Start menu, which is in the bottom left corner of your screen. Start to type the word voice, and the Voice Recorder app should appear on your screen. There should be a button that looks like a blue microphone. Click on this to begin your recording. It'll automatically go to the screen, and you'll notice that there's a blue pulsating circle and some seconds that are ticking off. This will show you how long your recording is, as well as show you that the microphone is picking up your voice successfully. When you have finished recording, just simply hit the stop. And you'll notice that shows up right here among all the other recordings I've used on this computer. I can listen to this recording by just clicking on the play button to hear it play back to me. Recording. It'll automatically go to the screen, and you'll notice that there's a blue pulsating circle. And you can also listen to this another way, which I'll show you in a moment. If you like the recording, good. If not, you can just simply hit the trash can and delete the whole thing. You can also trim it a little bit by using this option. And if you want to stop it at a different time or end it sooner, you can do that as well, just by simply hitting this and moving those lines back and forth to trim it. And click save a copy, and it became recording number 10 here on my computer. Now I'm going to show you how you actually take that file and then convert it, because as of right now, this audio recording will only play through a Microsoft app, but I want it to be able to play across multiple devices. So the good thing about the sound recording app is the fact that it automatically saves your audio recordings into your My Computer folder. So if you click on this PC and then click on Documents, you'll notice there's a folder that says Sound Recording. Double click on that, and then there's that number 10 that we just trimmed. It'll automatically go to the screen, and you'll notice that there's a blue... Yep, that's the right recording. Now you notice it opened this voice recorder, this Groove music, and that's not on every device. I want to be able, once again, to play this on multiple devices. So I'm going to right click, so a menu will pop up, and I'm going to open my sound recording this time with the VLC media player. Stop it. Okay, that way you don't have to hear me talking again. So once I've opened this VLC media player, up here in the upper left corner is a menu. We're going to click on that, and from here, from the menu, choose Convert/Save. I need to add my file. I'm going to go into, once again, the sound recordings. Recording number 10, hit open. I'm going to go down here to this menu and click on the arrow so that the menu pops up, and I'm going to choose Convert. Right here in the Convert, I want to change this so it says MP3. It says Audio MP3. That's exactly what I want. I'm going to find a destination. So here's where you may want to save the file into your personal U drive so you can get to it later. Or your teacher may give you specific instructions about maybe saving it onto a flash drive, or even just putting it back into the documents on the physical computer. So I'm going to keep it on this physical computer instead of putting it into my U drive. I'm going to go back to that sound recordings once again. I'm going to put my name in here, my last name, so that it'll be easy for me to find it later. And then did an underscore. You don't have to, you can do a space if you want to, and then just call it my last name and example. That way I can find this later easily. So hit save, and then click the start button, and there it is. There's my little example right here. It went ahead and converted it, and see how it says now the file is an MP3 file, whereas earlier it was not. It was an M4A file, which, like I said before, is not always compatible for everything. So that is how you use the voice recorder on your computer to create an audio recording, and then to use the VLC media player to convert it into an MP3.